Question comes the only one we really know.
All right, Auntie, introduce this. Introduce the.
Mary, you introduce it.
All right, Mary, introduce to the video here what we're doing.
We are singing Amazing Grace. This is our one and only song that we all know together, right? And we
think
you'll
we
enjoy
know
it
together.
So here we go. And it's amazing that we're getting through this graceful song. Okay, here we go.